Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about reassessment of liability and revaluation of assets. My dear student, our new topic is that single adjustment entry without changing the book values of assets and liabilities. Okay. So, my dear student, it is very important to know how to make adjustment without affecting the book values of assets and liabilities. So, for this adjustment, I take an example question: A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses 3:2:1. Okay. B retired on 1st April. A and C share future profit 3:2. Okay. They also decide to record the effect of the following revaluation without affecting the book value. What is the meaning? So land and building value, book value is 1 lakh. So they want to retain this book value for new balance sheet. Okay. Plant and machinery, the book value is 1,50,000. So they want to maintain this book value. Okay. 1,50,000. My dear students, for this question we have to solve what is the profit or gain. Okay. So what is the profit or gain? So you have to calculate this way also. You just put it this way. See, land and building. What is the value of land and building? 1 lakh is the book value and 1,50,000 is revised value. So 50,000 is your profit. Okay, you have to add. What is the next? Your plant and machinery is going to be decreased because the value of plant and machinery was 1,50,000 and now it is the 1,40,000. The value of machinery is going to decrease 10,000 rupees. Okay. Trade creditor. Previously the trade creditor was 50,000. Okay. But now the trade creditor is going to be 45,000. It means liability is going to be decreased. So liability is going to be decreased. It means you are going to add. What about the next? Here liability is going to be increased because outstanding expense is the liability 45,000 and it is a 60,000. So it means the liability is going to be increased. So if the liability is going to be increased, it means that you have to less. Okay. What amount of the less? You see. What amount of the less is that for 15,000. So only two items, land and building, trade creditors. Trade creditor is going to be added. So you add both here and this one and subtract this one. What do you observe? Simple. What is the profit? 30,000 rupees is the profit. Okay. So 55,000 minus 25,000. Okay. So your profit is 30,000. That is called gain. Gain means profit. Okay. That is called gain. My dear student, after calculating the gain, you have to calculate gain and sacrifice of all the partners A, B and C. So you have to require to calculate gain and sacrifice. So you need to calculate new ratio, that is new ratio of A, B and C. Okay. Old ratio A, B and C. What is the new ratio of A and B? A, who is going to retire in this situation? B is going to retire. So you have to put the mark. You have to put it the mark. B is going to retire. So new ratio is 3:2. It means 3/5 and 2/5. What is the old ratio? 3:2:1. 3:2:1. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. Okay. You have to calculate the gain or sacrifice. Here it is nothing. You put it 0 here. So my dear student, you observe that the two partner is going to be gain. The first partner is going to be gain, that is 3/30 gaining partner. A is the gaining partner. Here what you observe? -2. Okay, -2. So you put it here -2 for the bracket sacrifice. Why it is sacrifice? Because he is going to be given. C is going to be a gaining partner. What is the value? C is going to be gaining partner 7 by 6. Okay, 7 by 6. You can put it here 7 by 30. 7 by 30. Okay, just put it here 7 by 30. Is also gaining partner. See, what is the meaning of gain and sacrifice? So 3 by 30 is gaining partner. A is also gaining partner. Means A is going to be A. B is sacrificing partner. C is also gaining partner. The formula of what? In case of the profit, you have to formula gaining partner's capital account. So in case of profit, in case of gain or profit, what is the formula for the entry? Gaining partner's capital account debited to sacrificing partner. Okay, sacrificing partner's capital account. Okay, my dear student. So in this situation is also gain. It is a gain situation. So you put it this formula. In case of loss, the formula is just reverse. Okay, sacrificing partner capital account debited to gaining partner. Okay, in case of loss. So my dear student, you have to observe that in case of loss, that gaining partner's capital account is what? In case of loss, gaining partner's capital account is going to credit. In case of profit, gaining partner's capital account is debit. So you keep remember all those things. Okay. So try to understand what we have to learn. So you need to calculate first the gain or loss. So what is the rule? If the assets is going to increase, it is a profit. If the asset is going to be decreased, it is a loss. If the liability is going to decrease, it is a profit. If the liability is going to increase, it is a loss. So my dear student, you plus all items, whatever the profit, and deduct whatever the losses. So in this situation, 30,000 is gain. So after doing this thing, you need to calculate the gaining and sacrificing. Why? You calculate the new ratio minus old ratio. It is the difference. Okay. It is the difference of new ratio and old ratio. Okay, my dear student. 3 by 5, 3 by 6, you get a 3 by 30, that is a gaining partner. Why? Because it comes under the positive. If the positive value in this formula, it is a gaining partner. If there is a negative value, 2 by 6 is a negative value because it is a 0. It is nothing here. Minus 2 by 6, it is a minus. It is sacrificing partner. Okay, my dear student. So in case of C, also gaining partner because 7 by 30 is a positive value. 7 is a gaining partner. So what is the journal entry formula? In case of profit or gain, you have to do gaining partner's capital account debited to sacrificing partner's capital account. In case of loss, sacrificing partner's capital account debited to gaining partner's capital account. Okay, we put it here. So what is our next task? Next task is that you need to calculate the value of 30,000 multiply 3 by 10. Okay. Next task is that you need to calculate 30,000 multiplied 3 by 10. Okay. 3 by 30 and 30,000 multiplied 2 by 30. You just write down 2 by 6 also. Next 30,000 multiply 7 by 30. you need to calculate that 1, that is 3000, 7000, and what is the next value? That is the 10,000. Okay. So you put it this way into the journal entry. It is a situation of profit. So you put this transaction into the journal entry. So how to write this journal entry? You already know. You prepare the format of the journal entry. Okay. You need to prepare the format of journal entry. Debit, credit, particular, and date. Okay. Debit, credit, particular, and date column. So in case of gain, you have to write what? Gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners. Who is the gaining partner? They are A and C. So you write down A's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to B's capital account. Okay, you have to put it here. A's capital account 3000 and C's capital account 7000, and total B capital is equal to 10,000. It is the adjustment entry. My dear student, it is, I hope you have already understand this topic. So it is very important to record all these transactions very well. Okay, so come to the situation also. What is the value in this situation? A, B and C are partners. Okay, so you require the calculation of the new ratio and minus old ratio. 3/5 minus 3/6 is equal to 3/30 is a positive value, so it is a gaining partner. Same situation also, 2/5 minus 1/6 is equal to 7/30, that is also gaining partner. But in this situation, B is going to retire, so retiring partner is also going to be sacrificed, because 0 minus 2/6 is equal to U at 2/6 in minus form, that is negative. So pass the adjustment entry with the help of this gaining amount. You need to calculate whatever they have, gaining partner and sacrificing partner. Okay, my dear student, you need to calculate all those things. Whatever 30,000 A's capital account debited, C's capital account debited, okay, to B's capital account, it is an adjustment entry. I hope, my dear student, you have to able to understand all this topic. So very important for your long question also. Thank you.